Nested defaultdict of defaultdict. Is there a way to make a defaultdict also be the default for the defaultdict? i.e., infinite level recursive defaultdict? I want to be able to do. So, I can do x equals defaultdict, but that's only a second level. There are recipes that can do this. But can it be done simply just using the normal defaultdict arguments? Note this is asking how to do an infinite level recursive defaultdict, so it's distinct to Python, defaultdict of defaultdict, which was how to do a 2-level defaultdict. I'll probably just end up using the bunch pattern, but when I realized I didn't know how to do this, it got me interested.
For an arbitrary number of levels. Of course you could also do this with a lambda, but I find lambdas to be less readable. In any case it would look like this.
The other answers here tell you how to create a defaultdict which contains infinitely many defaultdicts, but they fail to address what I think may have been your initial need, which was to simply have a 2-depth defaultdict. You may have been looking for the reasons why you might prefer this construct are: it is more explicit than the recursive solution, and therefore likely more understandable to the reader. This enables the leaf of the defaultdict to be something other than a dictionary, for example, defaultdict lambda column defaultdict list, or defaultdict lambda column defaultdict set.
There is a nifty trick for doing that. Then you can create your x with x equals tree.
Similar to Brenbarn's solution, but doesn't contain the name of the variable tree twice, so it works even after changes to the variable dictionary. Then you can create each new x with x equals tree. For the def version, we can use function closure scope to protect the data structure from the flaw where existing instances stop working if the tree name is rebound. It looks like this.
E se o Laurent te muore, reale considera su descrevendo.